Honda Rebel 300 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling beckons with promises of freedom, excitement, and a unique connection to the open road. For beginners stepping into this thrilling realm, the choice of their first motorcycle is pivotal. The Honda Rebel 300, with its blend of accessible power, classic aesthetics, and rider-friendly features, stands as an exceptional choice for novice riders. With its balanced performance, timeless design, and beginner-friendly characteristics, the Rebel 300 provides an ideal platform for beginners to embark on a journey of skill development, self-discovery, and the joy of riding. Balanced performance and approachable power. At the heart of the Honda Rebel 300 lies a refined 286cc single-cylinder engine that offers a harmonious balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers a smooth and responsive performance that allows beginners to experience the thrill of riding with confidence. Classic design and timeless aesthetics. The Rebel 300 captures the essence of classic cruiser design with a touch of modernity. Its clean lines, minimalist form, and iconic cruiser styling reflect the timeless aesthetics that cruiser enthusiasts adore. Novice riders not only experience the joy of riding but also embrace the iconic style that defines the Rebel 300. Comfortable riding position and ergonomics. The Rebel 300 is thoughtfully designed to prioritize rider comfort, offering an upright and relaxed riding position that's well suited for beginners. The low seat height, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars contribute to a comfortable and confidence-inspiring experience. Agile handling and rider-friendly maneuverability. The Honda Rebel 300 offers agile handling and rider-friendly maneuverability, making it well suited for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and responsive characteristics provide riders with the confidence to navigate various road conditions and corners. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains paramount, especially for beginner riders. The Rebel 300 often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. These features instill confidence in novices as they learn and adapt to different riding situations. Urban commuting and cruiser lifestyle. The Rebel 300's versatility shines in both urban environments and open roads. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between city commutes and embracing the relaxed, cruiser lifestyle on leisurely rides, all while enjoying the motorcycle's comfortable and manageable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Honda brand form a community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for cruising and the Rebel 300's unique attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Honda Rebel 300 encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the cruiser experience. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Honda Rebel 300 isn't just a starting point, it's a companion for the journey ahead. Its balanced performance, classic design, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Rebel 300 as they evolve from novices to experienced motorcyclists. Conclusion. The Honda Rebel 300 exemplifies Honda's commitment to delivering an accessible and timeless introduction to the world of motorcycling for beginners. With its balanced performance, classic design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Rebel 300 provides an immersive gateway to the joy of riding. By choosing a Honda Rebel 300, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for cruising and the delight of exploring the world on two wheels.